Settling disputes in a constructive manner. Conflict is common, but it can also highlight the aspects of your relationship that need improvement. Use these suggestions to assist in resolving conflicts in a constructive manner if your disagreement is over choices such as which movie to attend, whom to hang out with, or who should wash the dishes. Settling disputes in a constructive manner. 1. Identify borders. Even in a heated dispute, everyone deserves to be respected. Tell your spouse to stop if they start cursing, calling you names, or making fun of you. If they don't, leave and inform them that you don't want to argue further at this time. 2. Locate the core problem. When one partner's wants or needs aren't being addressed, arguments frequently occur. Get as close as you can to the core of your argument. It's likely that your partner or you are experiencing insecurity or feeling disrespected, and you are expressing these sentiments through disagreements over unrelated issues. To avoid endless conflict that masks the root of the problem, learn to communicate about the genuine issue. 3. Accept disagreement. It's often preferable to just let a disagreement go if you and your partner can't come to an agreement. It's critical to concentrate on what matters because you can't agree on everything. If you can't agree to disagree on an issue because it's too essential to settle, it can indicate that you're incompatible. 4. Make concessions when you can. Although it might be challenging to actually achieve, compromise is an important component of conflict resolution and any successful partnership. Find a compromise where you can both be happy with the result, or take turns deciding things like what to eat for supper. 5. Think about it all. It's critical that you emphasize your perspective if the topic of your disagreement alters how you feel about one another or compels you to compromise your convictions or principles. If not, think about your partner's point of view, their reasons for being offended, and whether a compromise is suitable. To give each other space to express your feelings, try to contextualize your arguments. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.